Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to share about almost full details of Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app. Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app, the official mobile banking app from Bank of India. Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app features pay 24/7 fund transfer service using IMPS or NEFT or RTGS. Quick transfer up to rupees 25,000 without adding beneficiary. One view to manage beneficiaries. No need to add beneficiary separately for each payment channel. Set standing instruction SI for fund transfer within and outside Bank of India. Now set SI with block funds and scheduled payments facility. View and manage NACH mandates and e-mandates on your bank accounts. Request cancellation online. View payment history. View and manage NACH mandates and e-mandates on your bank accounts. Request cancellation online. View payment history. Bill payment with due date reminder across 20 categories. Save. Create fixed deposit and recurring deposits up to rupees 2 crores. Open Star Suniti account. Tax saver FD online. Manage deposits with adding or modifying nominee. View receipts. Avail TDS and interest certificate. Open savings account online. Deposit calculator. Avail overdraft against term deposit. Borrow. Apply for gold loan. Loan overview for existing loans with services like loan statement, interest certificate, amortization schedule, etc. Apply for overdraft against FD. Invest. Open mutual fund account online. Complete mutual fund KYC online and invest in 3 asset management companies partners of Bank of India. View fund information such as NAV, risk category, past performance, fund manager, fund investment, portfolio and invest wisely. Open investment account online for Public Provident Fund, PPF, National Pension Scheme, NPS, Sukarna Samriddhi Yojana, SSY online. Invest lump sum or set standing instructions in PPF, NPS and SSY. Purchase life insurance, health insurance and general insurance with 2 insurance partners of Bank of India. Invest in sovereign gold bond and floating rate savings bonds online. Invest in IPOs using ASBA facility. Unique features on offer. Use AI powered Bank of India Seva chatbot for transactions and account information. Avail check services like PPS, stop payment, request checkbook, etc. Submission of Form 15GH, FATCA or CRS. Download statements of your savings, current, term deposits, PPF, overdraft, loan accounts. Download certificates, TDS and interest and amortization schedule. Average quarterly balance tracker. Bank of India Star Rewards, debit card services, set limit, hotlist, change pin, card replacement, view standing instructions, and offers. Credit card services, set limit, statement, convert to EMI, offers, manage spend category, add-on card, view standing instructions, card replacement, request demand draft or pay order, life certificate for pensioners, and doorstep banking. Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app services. Pre-login. Search on branch name, ATM ID, BC name, and location. Search on state or UT, FGMO or zone. Ability to share list in download formats, PDF, Excel, or CSV. Map-based search. Apply for various loans, including loan against credit card and credit card. Shopping offers through tie-ups available. Bill pay, recharge available. Lodge complaints option, general and non-transactional. EMI calculator. Check balance. Support from the pre-login. Pre-login screen different for NTB customers, registered customers who do not have any relationship with the bank. Demo videos, facts available. Login. Fields like account number should not be asked for, which have low customer recall value. Seamless registration with cast ID. Forgot login ID or MPIN. Forgot password. Shows account balance upon login before second factor authentication. Single login for the entire customer relationship. Option to start on a specific screen. Option to return to home screen from every screen. Open numeric keypad when the credentials are set with numbers. Option of setting up a single PIN or password post activation for complete success. Single PIN replacing both MPIN and application password. Login using QR. Registration or login. In-app registration and instant password generation across through mobile devices. Online registration. Access through browser. Clearly present separate option for new users sign up and existing users login. Registrations or logins allowed from multiple devices. Two-step authentication on first-time registration. Message to registered mobile number RMN on successful authentication. Login using biometrics, that is Touch ID, Face ID, voice-based. Register first-time login. Set login ID or name or MPIN. Set login credentials including biometric authentication compulsory for employees and banking correspondents, optional for partners, retail customers, corporate customers and their agents as per modifiable parameters set. User preference for transactional facility including biometric, set transaction credentials, option for single PIN password, internet banking login using user ID or password or PIN, login ID or name required only when user needs to log in. Biometric authentication compulsory for employees and banking correspondents, optional for partners, retail customers, corporate customers, and their agents as per modifiable parameters set. forgot password, link for login, force password upon login password expiry, accept login credentials, option for single PIN or password, SIM related deviations and errors, adaptive authentication, NTB registrations, NTB to ETB conversion, profile, view personal details including CKYC, PAN, set primary accounts. Not all accounts to be linked to the customer. It should be as per the choice of the customers only, though all accounts may be displayed. Shows customer name on home page. Share account details via QR. Quick links to multiple sections within the app via profile. Product features. Change MPIN or biometrics. Set up mobile banking limits. Modify mobile banking limits. Set default account. Manage transaction rights. Set preferred MFA. Change preferred MFA. Password management. Login password. Customized setting for transaction limit. Setting 2FA with credit card PIN. Setting 2FA with debit card PIN. Setting 2FA with mobile OTP. Setting 2FA with MPIN. Notifications and alert setting. Transactional alerts mandatory. Password change interval within bank level limit. Deregister. Blocking. Unblocking. Statement or certificates download. Links for quick download of statements last month or 3 months or 6 months or yearly or calendar year or financial year. Transaction summary view. Generate mini statement with last 5 transactions for UPI transactions. Option to view transaction details available within one click from home page. Option to view account statement with advanced search. View past transactions by setting period. Ability to view statements or transaction history for up to past 1 year. Account opening, savings, individual customer onboarding, new, individual customer onboarding, existing, nominee registration, choose features, document capture, account opening journey, PAN validation, CKYC check, KYC process, customer deduplication check, negative list and AML check, issuance of checkbook, video KYC, Google API for branch suggestion, display of progress tracker during registration, account openings, term deposit, TDR account creation, recurring or fixed deposit, display deposit calculator, change FDR RT instruction, update nominee details, generate FD advice, avail overdraft against FD, deposit product suggestions, TDR maturity inquiry, linking CASA account, funding or auto SI creation, premature closure, avail overdraft against RD, Additional details or validation when user has selected OD against term deposit and logic for passing the value in margin parameter. Product list to be maintained at UA. Overdraft against term deposit. Senior citizen term deposit. Credit card. Enquiry. PIN generation or reset. Blocking or unblocking. Lost or stolen card. Set up limits for domestic or international ATM or POS or NFC. Add or modify or delete international travel. Recurring auto debit mandate management standing instruction. Set up limits for domestic or international ATM or POS or NFC. Add or modify or delete international travel. Recurring auto debit mandate management SI. Repayment, recovery, auto debit setup, EMI conversion, add-on card, statement, billed or unbilled or general, prepaid cards, payment summary, debit card, inquiry, PIN generation or reset, blocking or unblocking, lost or stolen card, set up limits for domestic or international ATM, POS or NFC, add or modify or delete international travel, funds transfer, other bank accounts, self account transfer, repeat payment, quick pay without adding beneficiary, pool funds, beneficiary account validation, add beneficiary, add beneficiary from success screen, account number within BOI, account number outside BOI, phone number, VPA, phone number plus MMID, manage beneficiary, view, delete or modify, standing instruction, set standing instruction, modify standing instructions, delete standing instruction, delete SI on cards, stop invoice of SI cards, modify SI on cards, doorstep banking, redirections, pickup request, call or book online, drop request, call or book online, customer feedback, customer complaints or escalations, service request tracking, complaint or escalation register or tracking, automated assistance on app features and navigation, at least on first login, guidance or link to security or privacy content displayed on login page, contact us, presence of search toolbar on home screen, phone banking contact number is displayed, FAQs available, chatbot, demo of various products or features, raise complaint, provide documents, track complaint, satisfaction rating of complaint, grievance history, provide feedback, view feedback, user feedback to modify or improve service as appropriate, notch cancellation, notch inquiry, NACH mandate view payment history for NACH. Government payments, PPF contribution, SSY contribution, NPS contribution. Collect request, single, multiple or split. UDIR, UPI dispute from app. UDIR, the Unified Dispute and Issue Resolution, is a comprehensive framework designed by the NPCI to tackle the complexities involved in resolving disputes within the realm of UPI payments. Bill payment, recharge, new biller, existing biller, pay bill, existing biller, update. Existing biller, cancel, fetch list of billers, fetch parameters for selected biller, master data management for NPCI, published billers list. Receipt download, payment reversal, bill presentation, bill presentation registration, deregistration of bill presentment, details inquiry, biller management, check biller availability status, mutual funds, purchase new mutual fund, KYC validation, KYC capture and submission, FATCA validation, acceptance to terms and conditions, investment account creation, purchase of mutual fund plan, lump sum or SIP, sovereign gold bond, SGB, purchase new, KYC validation, KYC capture and submission, acceptance to terms and conditions, request creation, download certificates, view status of transactions, FRSB, floating rate of savings bond, purchase new, KYC validation, KYC capture and submission, acceptance to terms and conditions, ASBA IPO, modify ASBA, delete ASBA, order status, creation of application ID, modify or withdraw order, insurance, Reliance Motor Insurance, Insurance Reliance Motor 4W, new business, comprehensive plus TP, buy new policy, Insurance Reliance Motor 2W, new business, comprehensive plus TP, buy new policy, Insurance Reliance Pay Premium, Insurance Reliance Portfolio, Insurance Reliance Policy Download, Insurance Reliance Quote Generation, eligibility check, questionnaire capture, nomination, CQIC check, Reliance Health Insurance, Insurance Reliance Health Gain Policy, purchase buy new policy, Insurance Reliance Pay Premium, Insurance Reliance Portfolio, Insurance Reliance Policy Download, Insurance Reliable Quotes Generation, Eligibility Check, Questionnaire Capture, Nomination, CQIC Check, Insurance Suit Life, Insurance Suit Life POS Sanchoy buy new policy, Insurance Suit Life Century Royal buy new policy, Insurance Suit Life Group Term Insurance buy new policy, Insurance would like pay premium. Insurance would like portfolio. Insurance would like policy download. Insurance would like code generation. Eligibility check. Questionnaire capture. Nomination. CKYC check. Insurance. View status of transaction. Loans. Application for Agri Gold Loan. Agri Gold Loan. Value of gold. Agri Gold Loan. Calculator. Complete KYC. POI and POA. Reward points. Redirections. Points credits. Points redemption. Points statement. Points calculator. View offers. Browse rewards catalog. Purchase goods or services including travel tickets, vouchers, etc. from e-marketplace with or without redemption and or instant credit. Check and redeem reward points, other transactions. Account servicing, Fatka declaration, Form 15GH submission, view and acknowledgement. So account details, minimum account balance, account status, account type, branch, IFSC code, address, etc. Single view for different product types, accounts, deposits, cards, loans. Display EQB balance tracker for each account. Request checkbook. View check status and stop payment of checks. Accept details for positive pay system (PPS). Download pre-filled deposit slips. Autofill details like name, address in product applications. Request demand draft at branch. Life certificate generation. Government accounts. PPF onboarding. PPF contribution. SSY Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account onboarding. SSY contribution. NPS onboarding. NPS contribution. Display features, benefits and costs of government schemes. Initial deposit or funding. Standing instruction for fund transfer from operative account. Nominee registration, single or multiple. Eligibility check. Linking other NPS accounts. EFRM, integration with bank EFRM system. Fraud risk management function as part of NPCI has designed and implemented a real-time fraud risk monitoring and management solution (FRM). Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app. Get started with us. Seamless steps to financial empowerment. Download Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app. Select your preferred language. Now agree to terms and conditions. Now select SIM of mobile number linked to your Bank of India account. Now verify OTP received on your registered mobile number. Now select your retail customer ID. Now enter your debit card details to enable transaction rights in the app. Now set new MPIN. Now choose your Face ID or Touch ID for additional authentication. Now your app is ready to be used. Bank of India Mobile Omni Neo Bank app. Hacks. Who can avail mobile banking? Anyone having an account with Bank of India with mode of operation as sale, either a survivor, former or survivor, anyone or survivor, Karta for HUF account, proprietor for current account. Minor or self-operated minor accounts are not allowed onboarding on the app. App not getting installed on device. Android 9 or above, iOS 12.0 or above, macOS 11.0 or above is required. Can loan account holders use mobile banking? User has to open savings account with an active debit card to use other features and transaction rights. Savings account or customer ID not visible on the app. One mobile number can be linked to multiple customer IDs, maximum 5. During registration, the app will ask the user to select the customer ID which the user prefers to use. The app will display all the accounts linked to the selected customer ID. Technical error. Onboarding not allowed. Issue for savings account. Check if the user mobile number is linked to retail customer ID for app registration. Mode of operation allowed are self, either or survivor, former or survivor, anyone or survivor, Karta for HUF, etc. except jointly by all. Onboarding on app is not allowed for self-operated minor account. Check if the Aadhaar, gender, and date of birth details are correct in account. Technical error onboarding not allowed. Issue for current account. User should have proprietary current account. User should have a retail customer ID added in related party details in Finacle. For transaction rights, user should have an active debit card linked to the same retail customer ID. Technical error. Unable to reach server. Message while using the app. Check for stable internet connection and try again. Or use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. If problem persists, please share customer ID and registered mobile number at BOI mobile support @ bankofIndia.co.in or call 0922 022 4091 9191. Technical error. Device detail does not match with system in the app. If user has already registered the app on other device previously, then user has to re-register first on previous device. Go to profile, alert and preferences and deregister. If user changes mobile number in Finacle, user has to register app again using the new mobile number. Check if the OS is compatible, Android 9 or above, iOS 12 or above with the app. If problem persists, branch has to share customer ID and registered mobile number at BOI mobile support @bankofIndia.co.in. Technical error, unable to reach our system. Please relaunch the app. Update the app to its latest version. Check if the device has sufficient RAM or ROM for using the app. Further, users should ensure strong network availability while using the app. Debit card not visible in the app or savings account. Check if the debit card linked to the retail customer ID is active. For a current account, register using if the issue still persists, please contact head office CPT debit card @ bankofindia.co.in for debit card mapping. Unable to fetch credit card details. Please check if the credit card is linked to the retail customer ID. If problem persists, please share customer ID and other relevant details with headoffice.cpt credit card @bankofindia.co.in. Unable to fetch current account details in app. Users should use retail customer ID while app registration that is linked to current account. User can link current accounts as follows. Go to customer profile, account and payment, link and set primary account. Check at branch if the retail customer ID is linked to current account in related party details. Unable to add beneficiary or initiate payment. To enable transaction rights in the app, go to Profile, Security Privacy, Manage transaction rights. If the problem persists, share customer ID and registered mobile number at BOI Mobile Support @ bankofIndia.co.in or call 022 4091 9191. Unable to close fixed deposit in the app. Term deposit receipt or fixed deposit receipt made in the branch cannot be closed in the new app. Only fixed deposit receipt or term deposit receipt made on the BOI Omni Neo app or old BOI mobile app can be closed through the app. Unable to take a screenshot on the app. The app, the app does not allow taking a screenshot for security purpose. Also, screen recording or sharing apps, if any, need to be closed before using the app. Unable to fetch cash credit account in the app. Cash credit accounts will be made available on the app soon. Error: custom or third-party keyboard being used. App only supports default keyboard in the device. Error in registration due to eSIM. User may ensure strong network availability while app registration. Default SIM can be eSIM enabled and can be used in any SIM slots on the device. For Apple users, change default messaging to SMS from iMessage. Error in registration due to Wi-Fi. During registration, user has to enable mobile data to verify SIM. Thereafter, the app can work on Wi-Fi. App not visible on Play Store or App Store. Check compatibility. Ensure that the country selected on Play Store or App Store is India. Login issues at a new location or at a new time period. App analyzes user behavior and will ask for additional authentication if it finds an anomaly like change in user location, time of use, high value transactions, etc. What if the app gets blocked due to wrong MPIN? Change MPIN, open the app, select MPIN for authentication, forget MPIN, select authentication method, debit card. Now enter debit card details. Now verify card details and now set a new MPIN. What if a transaction is unsuccessful or declined? Check if user has sufficient balance or pending SIP or NACH or SI or lien amount. Check if the beneficiary details are incorrect. If account is dormant or frozen, user has to approach the branch for resolution. What if a transaction is unsuccessful or declined? If transaction limit is exceeded, user can increase transaction limit in app. User can take action based on error message on the app. If the error still exists, share account details and other relevant information with BOI mobile support @ bankofIndia.co.in. Unable to update the app. User has to opt for update app over Wi-Fi or mobile data on that device. What if a transaction is credited to wrong beneficiary? User can go to Profile, left hand top corner, Complaints and Disputes for resolution. For transaction through IMPS, send details to boi.imps @bankofIndia.co.in. For transaction elect through NEFT or RTGS, send details to boi.neft @bankofIndia.co.in. What if a transaction is credited to wrong beneficiary? For transaction through UPI, send details to head 'at the rate of Bank of India. headoffice.dbd. Dot dbd at the rate of Bank of India. Dot co. Dot in. What if a transaction is credited to wrong beneficiary? For transaction through UPI, send details to headoffice.dbd at the rate of Bank of India. Dot co. Dot in. How to deregister the app? User can register on the new device with regular credentials, which will automatically deregister the application from the lost device. How to set transaction limits in the app? Open app. Now go to profile, top left hand corner on dashboard. Now account and payment and set transaction limits. Personal details mismatch. User has to enter correct Aadhaar, PAN, date of birth, last 5 transactions in account. If issue still exists, please update all the details in the branch. App asking for Aadhaar or PAN or last transaction while registration process. User does not have an active debit card linked to savings account. Bank of India mobile Omni Neo Bank app. Contact us. BOI mobile support @ bankofindia.co.in. Thank you very much for your patience.